If you, like me, have any question whether or not I'm gonna air quote, blow up kayak is quality enough to get on the water or not, you will be pleasantly surprised, as I have been. So Garvee did send this out so I could give you a close-up look. And I am gonna show this to you, not on the water yet. It's pretty cold season, but I am so excited after blowing this up the first time. So come on in and let's take a look at this close up. So number one, you can see it is full kayak size. This is the single person version, and it is heavy duty. Now the way this comes, I'm gonna first sit in it so you can get an idea of what this looks like. It comes essentially flat in its carrying case with everything you need to get on the water in no time. Now the man behind the camera helped me blow this up, and I asked him if he thought it was 5 minutes. He said max 5 minutes to get this blown up with a hand pump. So let's take a tour of everything that comes with it first. So number one, you get, of course, your kayak, but you also get a double-sided oar that converts into a single paddle if you are going to use a two-person system. So this is set up with the single seat. That seat is actually adjustable through these straps. So I'm able to make these longer or shorter and then Velcro the bottom onto this Velcro track, whichever spot that I want to use it. So if we were going to fish, I would be able to position this in a spot to still have enough room for all of our gear and plenty of room for me. So additionally, in the kit, you get the pump. Now, if like me, you were surprised at how big this is, I really thought, wow, that is crazy big, but it fits in that bag with no problem. And this is so big that it blew it up so quickly. This is not a tiny hand pump. This is a lot of air with every movement. So 5 minutes with only 4 different chambers to fill up. I'm gonna give you a tour of those real quick. So the air inflator here comes with an end that has different adjustable caps, and there was only one change that we had to make for all 4 sections. Each one of these sides, so you have one here and one here, and then the base of the canoe is a separate piece. That blows up and gets nice and firm. And then the seat cushion itself blows up. This thing has so many great details to it. One of the nice things is the ability to take it on both shallow and deeper water. Now, what's the difference? If you're a kayaker, the difference is the fins. Now, if I was in incredibly shallow water, we're gonna take it out without the fins on it, but they actually include the fin set so that if you're in deeper water, you have a lot more control. And the way that you get that control is simply to pop your fins in, and then they have these nice snaps to get them out easily too. So just a really great all-encompassing system, including even a quick repair kit that is just a great thing to keep on you if you're on the water. So I highly recommend this. This has everything from incredibly well-spaced carry handles, both sides. If you wanted to fit 2 people in here, I feel like it is plenty big enough. As a matter of fact, I'll give you one of the biggest ways to show you how much space is in here. Come here, buddy. This guy loves to be on the water with us. I knew he'd want to get in that side. Come on, up here. All right, sit down. Sit. There is plenty of space for us to get on the water without a problem. You can easily fold this up into a bag. Don't need electricity to get it blown up. Don't need a truck to get a kayak to the water. Just a great, great way to enjoy the water without needing a truck or something else to get it there. So highly recommend this. Great material, very sturdy. Cannot wait till it is boating season to get this into the river.